Hi everyone, say goodbye to boring work and welcome to AR2R. I'm Razvan, one of the creators of AR2R, the new AI sidekick that was designed to take over your tedious tasks and change the way you work. So AR2R is now officially in his closed beta phase and we are very excited to share him with the world. So what can AR2R do? He can check your availability, schedule meetings, create agendas, suggest topics for your webinars, edit and cancel meetings, take notes and much more. So, what makes AR2R special? He's one of the first natural language interfaces that can actually help you complete your work tasks. So, in other words, you can simply write a quick prompt or use a voice command and he'll understand you and get the job done. So, AR2R acts as a supercharged middleman between you, your tools, and your tasks. On the technical side, it's a natural language interface first product orchestrated by an army of AI agents. But enough about the theory, let's see AR2R in action. So I've got my phone here and I need to schedule a session with one of my colleagues for later today. By the way, AR2R works on all your devices, even if it's a desktop, phone or watch. So on home, you'll see some shortcuts for your quick prompts and an activity feed that represents your history. And the most important part, the two buttons that allow you to interact with AR2R by either typing or speaking. So I'm going for the real-time audio voice command. Hey AR2R, what does my schedule looks like today?
You have the following meetings scheduled for today. Growth Daily Sync at 13 o'clock. Sessions, Weekly Exec Sync at 15 o'clock. Product Features Discussion at 15:45. Next Product Features Discussion at 17 o'clock.
So can you schedule a session at 7 o'clock with Victor? We will discuss about the product roadmap.
I will schedule a session today at 7 p.m. with Victor to discuss the product roadmap. Please confirm to proceed.
I confirm.
The session product roadmap discussion with Victor has been scheduled for today at 7 p.m.
That's all, AR2R. Thank you.
You're welcome, Razvan. If you need any more assistance, feel free to ask. Have a great day.
So this was just a quick demo of one of the things AR2R can do, but I'll make more videos over the next few days to show you other examples. As I mentioned earlier, AR2R is in its closed beta phase, so those of you who bought early access will hear from us soon. For the rest of you, you will have the option to skip the queue and get access for 1 year, or you can join our waiting list for free. So for more details, check out AR2R.ai page. Thank you.